In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message step by step. This process is straightforward, but ensuring you do it correctly is important, especially in digital environments where privacy and organization are key. Let's dive in. Imagine you're in the middle of a conversation and notice a message that needs to be removed. Whether it's a typo or something you no longer deem appropriate or necessary, the process to delete it is simple and efficient. Start by locating the specific message you wish to delete. This seems obvious, but in a lengthy conversation thread, it can sometimes be a bit tricky to find exactly the message you're looking for. Once you've located the message, the next step is to hover your mouse over it. Doing this usually highlights the message or brings up a set of options, which indicates you're in the right place. Next, take a look at the options available. You'll want to find three dots usually aligned vertically or horizontally. This icon represents additional settings or options you can perform on that message or conversation. Go ahead and click this icon. You'll see a small menu drop-down, presenting you with a few different choices. Look for the option that says Delete Message. This is the key action that will remove the message from your conversation. Now click on Delete Message, but we're not entirely done yet. Deleting something by mistake is a common concern, so most platforms wisely add an extra step to ensure you really want to go through with this action. You'll be prompted with a confirmation message, usually asking something straightforward like, "Are you sure you want to delete this message?" It's always a good idea to double-check once more if you're about to delete something important inadvertently. To finalize the process, click Delete again. This second click will officially confirm the deletion and remove the message from the chat. Once it's deleted, that message will no longer be visible in your conversation thread, offering a clean slate or removing the accidental content permanently. It's worth mentioning that depending on the platform, the person you sent the message to might still have a copy, or there may be a limited window in which you can undo this action. So always consider these factors before you delete something permanently. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your digital conversations. By following these steps, you can ensure you have control over your communications and maintain the level of privacy and professionalism you desire. Remember, while the process is quite similar across various platforms, slight differences might occur. So it's always a good idea to stay familiar with the settings of the app or platform you're using. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your messages more effectively.